Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable replay on live stream with OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app. In the upper left corner, click on File and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel and click on Output. This is where you'll configure how OBS handles your recording and streaming outputs. Now navigate to Output mode at the top of this section. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced. This unlocks more detailed options that give you greater control over your recording settings, including the replay buffer feature we're setting up today. Next, click on the replay buffer tab at the top of the output settings. This tab contains all the specific controls for managing your instant replay feature. Look for the option that says Enable Replay Buffer and check the box beside it. This activates the replay buffer functionality, allowing OBS to continuously record and save your most recent moments. Now you need to set your maximum replay time. This determines how far back OBS will save when you trigger a replay. For example, 30 seconds works well for quick clips, 60 seconds is good for highlights, and 120 seconds is ideal for capturing longer moments. Select your preferred replay time by typing it directly into the text field. Once that's configured, go back to the upper left corner, click File again, and select Settings. In the left panel this time, click on Hotkeys. Scroll down until you find Start Replay Buffer, then click the text field next to it. Assign a key combination by pressing it on your keyboard, for example Alt+2. This hotkey will let you quickly start the replay buffer during your stream. Just below it, you'll see Stop Replay Buffer. Assign a key for this as well, like Alt+3 or whatever works best for you. After setting your hotkeys, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save all your changes and close the settings window. Now you're ready to use the replay buffer during your stream. In the right panel, click Start Streaming once you're ready to go live. Then, also in the right panel, click Start Replay Buffer. This begins the continuous recording process in the background. When something worth saving happens during your stream, simply press your Save Replay hotkey or click Save Replay Buffer in the right side. OBS will instantly save that moment. If you want to download it immediately, click the download button next to it. When you're finished using the replay buffer, click Stop Replay Buffer or press the hotkey you assigned earlier. To view all your saved replays, go to the upper left, click File, and select Show Recordings. All your captured moments will be stored there for you to review or share. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.